Hello everyone, SP Architects here. Today I will show you 5 pro tips in ArchiCAD. Although these tips looks very basic, these are going to save your life. We will rescue invisible drawings when you import a different file from a different source. And after that we will solve the most common library loading issue. And then we will use 3D warehouse objects like a pro. Then we will solve the orientation issue of the textures when this is very important for your project. Alright then, without any further information, let's get into the ArchiCAD. First one is disappearing drawing when you import a CAD file from a different source. To do it, first we will go to File menu, click External Content and click Place External Drawing. We will locate our CAD file and click Open. And then we will determine the unit system for the project, actually the CAD file. We will type in 10 and then click Place. Here we can see the imported file, and now I want to explode this into fields and lines. To do it, I will right click the drawing and click this explode into current view. If I want to see the original file, I will check that. Here you can see the drawing disappeared. In order to fix this, you may want to go to the layer and you may want to check your activating the closed layers like this, but sometimes it won't work. Here we have another solution. Sometimes these renovation filters accidentally switch to different plan types. In order to fix this, we will click Show All Elements and your drawing will be visible like this. Second one is Invisible Layouts. In order to demonstrate it, I'm going to show you an example. Let's place this drawing into an example layout. Let's drag this floor plan into this layout. As you can see, it's not visible. Let's extend to see it better. It's still invisible. To solve this problem, we will go to View Map and we will right click it. And then we will click this View Settings. To solve this problem, we will click this layer combination and just select a different layer combination such as this one. Now it's visible. If it still isn't working, you can create your own layer combinations. Sometimes you may have to work in a project which you didn't draw, but when you open that file, some of the windows, materials, textures, something like that won't be visible. Let's have a look. I have a project prepared for this tutorial. When we open a file something like this, if we close this window, the problem will be show up. Drawings you bring from different computers may not work in your own computer. ArchiCAD cannot reach library parts here. You can see them on the floor plan as well. Therefore, we will call ArchiCAD library from our library folder. With this, they will be visible. In the file menu from library and object from library manager. Let's click this little arrow from here and we will click ArchiCAD library we have, and let's click OK. Library parts have come back, but still all of the materials are purple. From library, let's open up the library manager once again. There is a button here, small and yellow. Let's click this Consolidate. Now we can see the materials came back. Generally, library problems can be solved by this way. This part I will show you general importing problem when you import objects to ArchiCAD. Importing any kind of object from SketchUp library is a very nice way to decorate your scene, but these objects have their polygon lines and they can be seen in your floor plan. Now we will remove them and make our plan way more elegant and faster. We will accelerate our speed of panning. Let's have a look at our sample. Let's import our SketchUp file from merge command. There are polygon lines here. Let's duplicate this by Ctrl-Shift-D. Right-click and click Convert Selection to Morph. Click OK. You can see the unwanted and necessary lines have gone. Hit Ctrl+T. You can access the properties of your object with this shortcut. Change this edge visibility options according to your status of your object. Change this edge visibility options according to status of your object. But using Morph objects can slow down of your computer. By changing Morph to ArchiCAD objects, you can accelerate this speed. Let's create an ArchiCAD object. First, we will select our object and click Object. Let's change this name and click the Save. Now we have a custom object. With this, we can change the size of this object more easier. This part I will show you how to set up Texture UV. When we set up a scene for rendering, we may want to see a preview of the materials. Of course, we can change this in rendering engine like Lumion, D5 Render or Twinmotion, but changing this in ArchiCAD will achieve better results and this will improve our project quality. Yes, changing material orientation is possible in ArchiCAD as well. To do it, first we will select our element. After that, we will go to Document menu, Creative Imaging, Align 3D Texture and click Set Origin. And we will click on the place where we want to determine the origin. To change the orientation, we are going to go to the same menu. Let's click on any surface. Let's click OK. After that, we will determine the orientation. As you can see, with this way, we can shape our designs and check their compatibility between other materials. If necessary, in this step, you can fix your models as well. But without this, it's not possible in rendering engine. You can only do this in ArchiCAD. And that's all it for this tutorial. Thank you for watching. If you want to see more, do not forget to subscribe and hit the like button. See you in the next one.